AI is not coming in the future, it's already here and it's already changing jobs. The real question is not if AI will replace jobs, it's which ones are at risk first. Let's break this down. The first type of job at risk is repetitive digital work. Anything that involves writing basic content, data entry, or simple tasks can already be done faster by AI. The second category is research-heavy tasks. AI can now find, summarize, and organize information much faster than humans in many cases. The third category is basic design work. With AI tools, people can create graphics, thumbnails, and simple visuals without needing advanced skills. But here's what most people get wrong. AI is not replacing all jobs, it's replacing tasks. And the people who understand how to use AI will replace the people who don't. That's the real shift. So what should you do? Instead of competing with AI, learn how to use it. Build skills that combine creativity, decision-making, and AI usage. Because the future is not human versus AI. It's human with AI versus human without AI. And that difference is going to matter a lot. The real question is not whether AI will replace jobs, it's whether you'll be ready before it does.